Please remember to set your cell phones on silent, and there is no flash photography allowed during our ceremony. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to NASDAQ. I'm Amber Olson of the Market Intelligence Desk, and we are very excited to welcome Burson-Marsteller here to help ring our opening bell. So now please welcome our executive host, Mr. David Wicks.
Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Amber, and thank you, everyone. Good morning. It's truly my great pleasure to welcome Burson-Marsteller, a WPP subsidiary, and CEO Don Bayer. I'd also like to extend a special welcome to Mr. Harold Burson. Harold, where are you? Who co-founded the company 60 years ago, along with Bill Marsteller. And lastly, let me extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. And I do mean warm because I was in Boston yesterday and I got there and it started snowing again. Enough with this winter. But anyway, we're excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Now, I hope you all agree there's a lot to celebrate today, and let me start by congratulating the management and employees of Burson-Marsteller on celebrating the firm's 60th anniversary, which happened officially only a few days ago on March 1st. Congratulations on this great milestone. We couldn't be happier than to help celebrate with you all today. I'm going to ask for a big round of applause, and I want to fill you in on a little stock market stuff. Education. The louder you all clap and cheer, the more the stocks go up. So let's give a round of applause and kick things off. Since opening its first office in New York in 1953, Burson-Marsteller has literally been a pioneer in the public relation industry, bringing new levels of professionalism to client service, eventually expanding its reach to 110 countries across 6 continents, and being part of WPP Group, which is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol WPPG. And when we look over those past 60 years, we see a company that has grown from a small business-to-business communications specialty shop to providing clients with a full spectrum of services encompassing consumer marketing, corporate and financial communications, issues and crisis management, digital healthcare communications, public affairs, and technology communications. And over those past 60 years, Burson-Marsteller has been a driving force and innovating force in the public relations industry. The firm, among many of its innovations, was the first to offer what is known as integrated communications, conducted the first crisis training for its client, Owens Corning Fiberglass, and was the first public relation firm in Europe with offices capable of working in a dozen languages and really providing a pan-European service. Now, we're also proud and privileged to have with us the founder of Burson-Marsteller, Mr. Harold Burson. Mr. Burson was named the most influential public relations person of the 20th century, and he is still a part of the firm's daily life. And I understand that you're still coming to the office every day. You're continuing to visit Burson offices around the colleagues, and I was actually looking at your website this morning. Amazing history, so congratulations again. So here at NASDAQ OMX, we're also proud of our heritage, and when we were founded back in 1971, every stock market had a physical trading floor, and that floor gave special privileges to those that came to work. And NASDAQ brought really the computers, the communication technology, which allowed us to change the way the world trades, really making it a more fairer and transparent process open to all. And over those past 40 plus years, we've been able to bring the truly remarkable, innovative, visionary companies to the world to list with us. And Burson-Marsteller and its parent WPP really are the epitome of that type of company. One that I would say embraces growth, embraces innovation, and that's really why we're so pleased to have all of you with us here today. Mr. Bayer, Mr. Burson, congratulations on all of your tremendous achievements. We look forward to watching Burson-Marsteller and WPP continue to grow and continue to innovate as a NASDAQ-listed company. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming the founder of Burson-Marsteller, Harold Burson, and CEO Don Bayer. Gentlemen.
Thank you, David, very much, and thanks to our friends here at NASDAQ. Thanks, too, to our parent company, WPP, and to YNR. In 1953, the character James Bond was born, and the polio vaccine was discovered. New possibilities were being created. Mount Everest was conquered, and President Eisenhower was inaugurated. It was a time for new beginnings. And in 1953, in this very week, a young World War II veteran named Harold Burson joined his public relations firm with the advertising agency led by Bill Marsteller. Burson-Marsteller became a pioneering firm in the creation of modern communications, bringing new levels of professionalism to the service of clients. So 60 years later, Burson-Marsteller has grown from just 4 people in an office not far from here on 42nd Street here in New York City into a global firm with thousands of talented professionals in 110 countries around the world. We asked our employees to put forward ideas on how to mark this 60th anniversary, and given their creativity, they of course came back with a flood of great ideas. So this year we will be conducting service projects around the world, new thought leadership activities in order to help our clients, and convening important conversations in different markets around the world. Even today's bell ringing actually came from one of our employees. But the best way we can honor our past is to deepen our commitment to the values that have brought us this far by continuing to be a great firm for the long term. A firm whose talented professionals and reputation for excellence build our business, and as important, build the business of those that we serve. It's often said that every institution is the lengthened shadow of just one person. Today, Burson-Marsteller does not only carry the name of the man it is my honor to introduce, it literally embodies his legacy. The man in whose giant shadow we all stand, and more important, who still lights our way, Harold Burson.
Ron, thank you very much. I am very, very happy to be here today. In fact, you know, at my age, I'm happy to be anywhere. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think that I would be present for the 60th anniversary of Burson-Marsteller. And to put that in a little bit of perspective for you, in 1953, when we first started, there were 500 public relations firms listed in the New York telephone directory Yellow Pages. Now there are barely 10, and I am very, very proud that Burson-Marsteller is one of those 10. And I want to thank at least 2 groups of people who have made that possible. One is our employees, the people who have really made Burson-Marsteller the agency against which many others are measured. We have people of all nationalities. We're on 6 continents. We provide opportunity, and I suspect the thing that I'm proudest of is that we created over 2,000, 3,000 jobs around the world. I also want to thank and honor the clients who have been with us. We have some who've been with us for 30, 35 years, and that's about all I have time to tell you. Thank you, and God bless you.
So, gentlemen, it is our privilege and our honor to have you here this morning. We're certainly proud of our relationship. And to commemorate today, I'd like to present you both with the NASDAQ opening bell crystal.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Wanna hold? Here, step up.
Wonderful gift. We want to present you with a very, very important token of our appreciation,
Thank you,
which
sir.
is the book written by Harold Burson on the making of our firm.
Thank you so
It's
much.
autographed by Harold.
We will display it proudly. Thank you so much.